As a Scorpio baby. As a Scorpio baby.
Wala na nakitang ganon.
Oh my gosh. First
Lola
time
niya.
ni Amma and my brother and Ate Baket. Ate Baket siya yung yaya ko since 1 month old ako.
Oh.
Concert ko dito rin, hindi umiyak.
Ikaw muna, eh! Ama!
Brother, she's the softest, sweetest human being. Sa kanya ako pinaka-creamy. Pagka-creamy ko kay Ate Gwen. Hindi ko yung kaya gawin kay Ate Jo, magigili ako.
Ate Aya, I think she's doing better now. And I hope that she realizes na she's not alone in this.
Ang baby niya, no?
Di ka? Bagets eh.
Uy, nakakadami ka na ng kiss, ate! Ate!
Lahat ng to sa ating papatibay sa bawat alaala ating itong iaala.
Ito yung year na sobrang daming nagbago sa amin talaga. So, dito pinagtibay yung samahan namin. Siyempre, dream ko sa Bini is continue the success na
Sheena.
Hindi kinakatakot namin.
Gusto ko na pang may bangs yung kanina.
Hoping talaga na maging international girl group kami. Hindi lang dito sa Pilipinas, kundi sa buong.
Ayan na, na-achieve na.
Alam mo, feeling ko lang talaga, meant to be talaga mangyari na maging Bini kami, na 8 kami. Destined talaga.
Ganun siya.
Oh.
What a nice, what a go for the go-go gun.
Congratulations, Bini.
You are able.
Able kayong lahat. Sana mapansin nyo na yung bati ko sa inyo at may pagluto ko na kayo.
Sana makasama nyo na kami.
Sana makasama nyo na kami. Masaya kami kasama. We're very happy. This is just chapter 1. Meron pang sunod.
Hanggang chapter 28.
I think, ano yung title nung sunod na chapter?
Meron na?
Oo, meron din. Born to Win. Tapos, How to A. Char. Hindi, nakita ko yun eh. Here with you. Here.
Oh.
Chapter 2 is Here with you. Hi, Ian Vlogs. Thank you for...
Staying
Oh, yeah,
and
we
giving
have 11,
suggestions.
right? We have 11 viewers up until now. But yeah, we have to end the live kasi mag-ano naman kami, drag race.
Drag race kami.
Magda-drag race naman kami para lang ma-save tong una. So, if you wanna stick around and watch, Ian, sino yun? Jessa May Bautista,
Sa chapter 2 ulit, magla-live ulit kami.
yeah, we'll do that, no? And
Chapter
then,
2, chapter 3, chapter 4, chapter 5.
and then, do you still
so
have
on.
energy? Kasi ang sobrang ganda ng Drag Race, episode 8. Sobrang ganda, magigising ka. G?
Naka-live pa din.
Yeah. So, guys, if you wanna stick around, we'll be watching Drag Race. And, tawag dito, I'll be doing this YouTube live in the next couple of days. What else? Sana makapag-vlog, matutong mag-edit, and makapag-share, makapag-inspire, makakreate ng bigger community than what I currently have. And followers din. Check ko yung OBS, Ian. Maraming salamat. I hope yung 11 or 8 na lang. Lahat kayo, mababa na. Tapos na, guys. I hope mag-join kayo sa, mag-subscribe kayo sa aking YouTube channel. I'll try to share more of Ouija videos. Okay lang, maraming salamat. Have a great night, have a great morning, have a great week. Every gising is a blessing. Ciao, everybody. Paano tayo